Ringo, it does sound like them ready, you know. For this camera here, I want you to fucking make some noise and make a note that you're ready. Right now, make some noise. Alright, listen. I want you to make some fucking noise in here, man. Make some fucking noise.
Yes, people just come outside the club. Yeah, man, good vibes. Pick up yourself, people. 24-hour kitchen.
Big bomber club.
Wagwan people, yeah man, we're fully active, fully outside. I say him though. Yeah man, first event, we're just at Watford people, yeah. Walkabouts, see you inside and a good look a while. Done now.
It's mad, you know, Ringo, like, man, we have to, like, it's different. Listen, 24-hour kitchen is different now. You understand? Like, man has to go, like, I have to hide through crowds and stuff like that. And it's funny because some people recognize and just keep it moving, hid, because obviously Ringo Vision and the art, you know what I'm saying? The people that are waiting to see us. We can't just walk past the crowd like, all right, mate, like, you're cool, you get me?
Yeah, the thing have to be exclusive.
It has to be exclusive.
Yeah, man.
Like even the other day at the headline show, you know, I didn't see anyone perform. Yeah. I didn't even know who was there.
All right.
Apart from the people who was at the front of the crowd.
But I end up, guess what? Come up with big up everybody.
Big up everyone that come to the headline show, man.
Yeah.
Hey, big up yourself. You get me? Big up the wall at 24-hour kitchen. You done 9 things at 24-hour kitchen with literally 24 hours around the kitchen right now.
A good vibe.
There. Hook and vibe. Don't forget it, we're still there.
You're not going upstairs?
Yeah, we're just waiting for someone.
Sweet, that's fine.
People here hear it, so yeah man, performance gonna go on in a little while, so you don't know what going people, yeah. A good vibes. Big up yourself. Yeah man, we're at this club here in Watford. We're gonna leave from this club here and get to Hanover as well. Hand over to get it, the pronunciation right. But yeah man, a good vibes people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active, we're fully outside. Yeah man, a good vibes.
Right, so anything else, speak to her. I'll come up.
I am your main man.
Yes everyone, so like I said, you guys are going to be getting some different stuff on the channel. We're going into a new season, so as you can see that things have turned around a bit different from last year with me and M.R. So the music thing have taken off with M. So yeah man, we're outside, fully active, putting in the work, said way everybody, yeah. So today we're in Watford. We're at the walkabout. He's going to be going, we're upstairs, so he's going to be going downstairs in about 20 minutes and performing, and then we're going to leave from here and go to the next venue. Then he's going to perform there. So yeah man, our good vibes everybody. So me and M. just going to all our reasoning, give you guys a little update, and obviously show you guys a little bit of Wagwan, some behind the scenes and things like that as well. Yeah man, but in the meantime, in between time people, yeah, big up yourselves, said way, 24-hour kitchen. There are various things, like I said, that's going to be changing on the channel. I just want to go over it again, yeah. I'm going to be having a cooking show. We're going to be having the outside segment of cooking, which is like waiting for more of the summer period to come back, outside in the forest, doing things like that. And then we've also got the other side to the cooking, which is just traveling, vlogging, cooking like a day like today. We're traveling. Me and M.R. were outside. Oh, M. Tell him so you have a nice little, yeah man, car. You understand? Yes, people are good vibes. Yeah man, big up yourself. So, we're there. You say M. You ready?
Always, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah man, know your name.
Good vibes.
Holy acting for the year that.
Make some fucking noise in here, man. Make some fucking noise. Hey! Somebody say big bumper car. Run the tune tonight. This part of the radio, man. You know it's all the vibes. You are ready? Where's the weapon? I will go with you. Think of the sound tonight. Hear that? Pull the acting up, brother. Hey, weapon, you ready? You are ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Women, they are going to the Embark in the mind. The party man, there's a working life. The rap band, right time. You shout the day, you right time. You right check, you know what time. Step it up a class, that's the English line. Our body girl, rock out and wine. In our body floor, in our body line. And the time of the Lord is a girl, hear that? Run that. Productions. Come to like this one can continue. Listen. We got to stop here. Look. And the rest of you will be. And to the very open and vanity. Alright, make some more fucking noise in that man. Oh, yeah. It's time to get fucking lively. Alright? Cameras! People, are you ready? Are you ready again? Alright, let's go. We'll leave up low class, fucking out of here. Fucking out of here, teachers, you're fucking out of here. Fucking out of here, we're coming up upon it. There we go, Johnny. Every day I go up, Bobby, every silent process, I've been together, go up, man. Who's yelling at me? The microphone is still on fire after blood clot.
Yes, people just come outside the club.
Love your music.
Yeah, man, I'm good vibes. Big up yourself, people. 24-hour kitchen, outside walkabout right now. Quick shellings. Yeah, man, I'm ready, man.
Appreciate it, man. Take care.
Thank you.
Bless,
Thank
bless.
you.
Friday antics, you know it in the whole a big combo class with a bottom and
Yes, people, round one out the way. Yeah, man, round two.
We see ketchup on camera.
Yeah, man, I'm good vibes, man.
People, if you don't see it and you don't see it, then you know what I got already a shellings, you know? Yeah, man.
Yes, people, are good vibes. So we're going to the next event right now.
We're going to Muckle Land, bro. Place called Andover. Never heard of it before in my life. You ever hear about it?
Nah, first time.
First time, see it there?
A good vibes, though. Speed camera ahead. Boy, people!
Oh, sir.
Yeah, man. So, how was that first performance?
No, it was really good, you know. The crowd were fucking lively, bro. Sorry for my language. Yeah, the crowd were lively people. It was a quick one, Ringo, innit? We literally got there, literally drunk half a Magnum, jumped on stage. We've got another show down in a place called Andover. We've just been driving an hour and a half from Watford. I don't know where we are, bro, but we are quiff off.
So look at this. Let me just give everybody a little update, yeah. So we're in a place called yes,
petrol people.
Yes, BP petrol station.
Hey!
Hey, pit stop.
Pit stop, people. I was getting a bit worried, Ringo. I'm not gonna lie, people. I didn't want to say nothing to Ringo, yeah, but the petrol was looking a little bit. I tell you. Yeah. But we're good.
Yes, over there.
That's it. So basically, we are way down away. We near Wales or Stonehenge or
Stonehenge, yeah.
something like that. But yeah, we're way so Andover. That's where we're at. But this is gonna be the last stop for tonight. I think you should continue this whole episode until tomorrow as well. Show them that as well. The whole time, be mad. It's gonna be great. It's a movie, people. It's just me. This episode here. Just keep watching. Next stop, Andover, Muckle Land. We're gonna see what people are saying in Andover. That is it.
yeah, so I might as well whew, get some fresh air as well, everybody. Yeah, man. So, like I said, everybody, big up yourself. We're going into a new season very soon, but also within the new season, this the channel is going to be broken down into different sections. So we're going to have a section that's going to basically just be based on outdoor cooking. We're going to have a next section that's going to be based on traveling and vlogging, and then we're going to have a next section that's going to be the whole food range inside of the kitchen. People can come inside of the kitchen, try the food. You guys got opportunity to come inside of the kitchen as well. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. So I'm actually excited to be going into the new season, and I hope you guys are excited as well. Big up yourself if you don't know, so we're fully outside as well. We're in the petrol station right now, waiting for embark to come out, because I'm just up here for the petrol quickly. And yeah, man, stay tuned, because next stop is at the next event, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Good vibes. Right now we're wondering where we're gonna land, because
So it's 7 minutes away, bro. We are just in the middle of nowhere on the road where no one's on, and yeah, it's just
but look at this, people. Yeah, on the sat nav, it's a bare greenery. Not him that me not see no look.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Bare greenery, but yeah, man, a good vibe still. So we've just reached to our next venue, everybody. So yeah, man, so good vibes. So you guys bring the drink forward, yeah? Rare nephew, big up yourself. Emma.
United Ringo and Ringo.
Yeah, come on.
Shillings again. Stage show time. You hear that?
Big bomber club.
Look, if you lot are fucking ready. Ringo, it does sound like them ready, you know. For this camera here, I want you to fucking make some noise and make a note that you're ready. Right now, make some noise. Alright, listen. I want to ask you a question. When we fuck pussy, ready to. Hey, pussy turn red. I know. This is a historical moment. Yeah, me as in a man. Are you ready? Look. What is my blood class fucking out of here? Fucking out of the kitchen, you are fucking out of the chair. Fucking out of the Make some noise for yourself because y'all going good. Hey Ringo, am I going good enough? Make some fucking noise to yourself, man. You're too quiet. You're too quiet. You're too quiet. I'm down here. Run it. Let's go. Yo! I want everyone to sing every fucking line. Listen, ready? Fucking out of here! Fucking out of kitchen, she want fucking out of chair! Fucking out of bathroom, fucking up upon the chair, the women say me there to come and everything gonna drop here. Every gonna go up on me, I'm Mr. Love, but I said everything gonna go up on. Pussy happy, pussy happy sad. Pussy happy kind of type, pussy my pussy them, but I can lose no sleep. Man try to anything, they have heard for weeks. Weeks, without in a seat. Nobody out for free, don't play with me, Andorra. Hero seconds, you're at the back of that too. Alright. This is the part of the night where we all go fucking mad. You ever said? We don't want no drama, so be careful who's standing next to you. But we ain't here to play no fucking games. Listen to what I'm saying. Yo! That's what I fucking like to see. Hey, look, this is the last song, people. My name is embark. That is Ringo Vision. Big up the promoters. And we'll make some fucking noise for yourselves, man. We're gonna get lively and we're gonna go mad. DJ, anytime you're ready. Pick up yourself and sing around. You hear that? Oh, alright then. No more games. Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? You ready? Pussy, push them, but I didn't move off sleep. Man try to anything, but then they have heard for weeks. Weeks, we didn't have any sleep. Nobody had no concrete, and they don't play with me, I'm gonna. Hero seconds, you're at the back of that tune.
Pit stop people, yeah, petrol station. Last night was a shellings. Yeah, man, last night was a shellings, people, yeah. Big up yourself. First day tour on the road. You understand, people, yeah. Our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. Look out for the next episode, everybody, yeah. We're on the road. We've got some more vlogging to do for the rest of the day, yeah. We're fully outside. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Oi people, wagwan, you don't know wagwan, man, a good vibe. So we're back inside of the yard right now, and guess what? I had to come in the kitchen and tell yeah, man, a good vibes, people, yeah. Let me say, really good vibes. So last night shows, we're on the road, a good vibe. So today now, like, we're still on the road, ain't really slept and whatnot. Was in the auto quickly, briefly last night, car. It would have been too much to just be driving back. You understand, people? But guess what? We're coming in the kitchen quick, and I said, we have to mash up our food before we go to the next show again tonight, people, yeah? So we're inside of the kitchen, people, yeah? Thank you very much, everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. Something different, but I just thought, say, wow, you can't get Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen without put some food involved in the thing, people. So yeah, man, we got food involved in the thing. So we're just mashing up some brown stew. And some hard food, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You done now. Go and show you what I go on night pot. Ah, look at that, man. Yeah, man, some brown stew chicken, people, yeah. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Big up yourself. You don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, the hard food and the pot they said way. Yeah, man, we got the corn and the cob in there, pimento seed, garlic, we got thyme, we got ginger, scallion. You don't know what I go on as well. And look, we can't left look the scotch bonnet pepper there. So right there, so people, carrot and all them things there, chop up and I cook them nicely, people, yeah. A good vibes. So we go on dish up. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, we just come back to the yard and just some food. I cook said way. You don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, the food complete, people. So our good vibes. Big up yourself. You don't know. We come from the show last night on the road. We stay at the hotel. We didn't even get much sleep because we got to the hotel like at last minute booking, basically, innit?
Yeah, literally. We booked on the way to the show.
Yeah. So it's only when we actually got to where we got to, people realised, rotted. This place is actually 75.
Very far.
It's actually 75 miles from where we was, and we was like 50 miles out from where we was coming from. So at the end of the night, we had to utch up somewhere. And then yeah, man, our good vibes, people. Yeah. So
my body's feeling it still because obviously we just had a mad night and then didn't realise like we got to go again.
Yeah. So our good vibes, people. Big up yourself. I see you again in a little while, car. We're gonna deal with some food right now, but then we're gonna be back on the road very soon. So yeah, man, just stay tuned with the vlog, people. Yeah, this one's an exciting one. Good vibes. Yes, people, big up yourself. We're in Windsor right now. So yeah, man, we're just going into the Ivory quickly to go and have something to eat. You don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, get something in the stomach before we go and show down them lyrics there. And bring something nice and amazing to the fans, them people, yeah. Cause the people them want to hear the music and the people them want the good food. So guess what, people, yeah? I got something in process for you guys, yeah. We're going into new season. So the new season that we're going into, yeah, man, just stay tuned, people, yeah, because we're on an amazing journey right now and it can only get greater and better. And you guys are on the journey that have made it so fabulous, and it's due to you guys why it's the way it is. It can't be 24-hour kitchen, YouTube, outdoor adventures without you guys. You understand, people? Yeah, man, I told you.
Never realised.
Me tell you, man. That me tell you.
That me never realised, people. Me I turn up right in front of you.
And the man will say, yo, go round. More go and a Bob Marley, more go there.
We right at Windsor Castle, we right there, people, yeah. Said way, them that never realize. A good vibes, big up yourself, people, yeah. Until next time, you done know 24-hour kitchen. You done know, say, yeah, cook on vibes there, said way, good vibes.
Remember when they don't know us, remember when they know us.
Yeah.
Bro, can you take a picture of us, please? Yeah. Give me your phone, my phone's shit. Let's put that on top of the bomb quickly. Ready? Let's run it again.
Bossy with it.
Bossy with it.
Blood clot, yeah. Ringo.
And let me stand up right there, sir, so I can see my people then. Winter war, go and make some fucking noise in there, winter You're ready anytime you're ready, but when the man is ever hard. Don't fuck the microphone. Yo. I was not gonna come here tonight and do no half-hearted show. No, we don't do that over it. When them are in the building, it's a fucking vibe. When we start posting, alright. Yo, when we go, some of you good and run that to the microphone. Listen to the winter. Are you not ready? Alright, stop it. Next song. You not ready to get fucking lively? Alright. I'm gonna test you now. Let's go. Let's see the fucking vibe there. Alright. You not ready? Father, yeah, God, I winter, Ringo, look, fuck on the bitch I trip. I'm dipping it all with up the carrot beef. I can't give a partner, give your thing like a hard time please. Shut about that music, make money move fast and quick. Look, we just put a brand new style. See, 7 look, drop a 16 and the heat, yeah. 16 on the wristwatch, 16 in the cheek, black on hot, yeah, they want TikTok. Anytime we go, we eat that. We need all the teacher. Start for the motor. Let's talk about. Know everything, man. Everything shell, everything follow. I don't know if it's like what the thing follow. Any violation, get the team on up. Look, man, it's like we're not lying. But what fuck you got in 9-9? new. Somebody say new. New music. New music. Listen, they think that Turn Red is my only song. That's what they think. Yo, we general. DJ. Yo, DJ. Listen me, man. You see when you play with embark, you have to look and you correspond with me. You hear me, I say? I know that yet. Ben Master. So, we're going to give you some brand new Windsor. It's just been released. Alright, we're coming productions. You all fucking ready? Come on, G-Lines. Alright, then let's get fucking lively. Look, like a rasta, you know I'm beast. My kids is body on the thing that fancy teeth. I mean, never talk about my bullshit, but I ain't gonna lose no sleep. Man try buy anything, then I try for weeks. Dog, we need a hide and seek. Look, coming in and up, fuck with like the fire upside your feet. Look, and I ain't talking about Dennis, we say we have no teeth. It's time to get fucking lively. I want you to sing every fucking line. Let's go. Ready? One knee, baby, like glass, fucking out the air. Fucking out the kitchen, chill, fucking out the chair. Fucking out the bubble, fucking up upon the head. I want to step it out of the air, make it like on here. A good fucking vibes, man. Security, pick up yourself, bro. Hear that? Ringo vision. You know that thing now. I want everyone to sing all the words. Please and thanks. Let's get a viral video. One name of blood gas, fucking out the air. Fucking out the kitchen, chill, fucking out the air. Fucking out the bubble, fucking up upon the shed. And when they step in, I go there. John here. Baby, gotta walk on me on the style and pass it to me, they gotta go up on. Pussy happy. Pussy happy sound. Pussy happy climate like pussy happy house. She give you wicked and strong. Sit up the panel and what is wrong? If you look at me, one minute, man. You ready? Think up the clock, you're watching at the end. I say, see, I say, you want to get me head. Pussy, alright. Listen, I'm going to teach you the lyrics. Wait there, give me some silence. Man them, in the lyrics. I want the Ross man do God. Cock his own me, don't split the pump in two halves. Rock the tune. Oh! Alright. So you know the lyrics them now. Ladies, you can sing along the same way. Yeah? Look. How would your ass man do raw? Talking so big, I'll split the pump in two half. Hey, how would your ass man do raw? Talking so big, I'll split the pump in two half. Tell him when you stop and make a move fast, and you don't do good, I got no chit chat with some new talk. Big bumper class, big rocks, and I'm a new car, a new car, I don't know them off in this too far. Too far, you know, some other too far, out everywhere, nigga, on the street. Oh, anywhere we go, we make the pussy turn right now. Blood clot, yeah, the one fucking on the bed. You hear what I say? You hear what I say? Now, Mr. Skin, now your pussy take fuck, I'll get the end of me. I think I'll just wind up in the rental, this mental. When we clean teeth, it ain't dental. That is essential. Pussy have a proper other potential. End of family, they will fuck up any instrumental. When they get to know the tenant, that is confidential. We say the couple that are ready, we have a couple guys that make me don't get sentimental. Hey, I want the Ross man do raw. Cocky so big, I said the pump me too hard. Y'all wind it up and make it move fast. I give a do like a lashy. With some new talk. Big bump, make it move fast. I give a do like a lashy chat. With some new talk. Big bumper class, this Ross and I'm a new car, a new star, I jump out them off, really too hard. And second of all, make some fucking noise to yourself, because you know we're live here tonight. You hear me, sir? Ringo, big up yourself. Security, big up yourself. DJ, big up yourself. Big up yourself, you hear that? DJ NP, you know anything go. Holy acting before the year. Yeah. You know we fully bad. Shabby here, man, I don't be a stud. I want the body right, who was the man? And I like the episode, I want to get girl. Big up in the beach, now read.
Oh, people. Yeah, man. A good vibe. It's been an amazing weekend. Yeah, man. Me and M.Dot's been on the road. We done 2 shows on Friday, and we done a show tonight, people. You've seen it on the story. Look out for the videos. Go on the YouTube, people. You don't know where I'm going. Check out the YouTube episode. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yeah, man. The next show is going to be in Canada, people, yeah. So look out for that one there. Yeah, man. We're up on the road, 24-hour kitchen, a good vibes, and Ringo Vision. We're outside, fully active. Look out for the new season, yeah, coming out on the YouTube as well, people, yeah. A good vibe. Fully active.